Are you interested in learning about advanced trading techniques? At Traders Lessons, we offer comprehensive courses on various chart patterns. One of the most popular patterns we teach is the cup and handle pattern. This pattern is a bullish continuation pattern that indicates a potential upward trend in a stock's price. It's named after its shape, which resembles a cup with a handle on the right side. The cup represents a rounded bottom formation, while the handle shows a small consolidation period. Traders typically look for a breakout above the handle's resistance level to confirm a potential buying opportunity. The cup and handle pattern is often seen as a reliable signal for long-term investors. Another pattern we cover is the rounding bottom pattern. This pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that suggests a potential trend reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. It forms when a stock's price gradually declines, followed by a gradual recovery with no significant peaks or valleys. The rounding bottom pattern is considered a longer-term indicator, as it can take months to develop fully. Traders watch for a clear breakout above the pattern's resistance level as a confirmation of a potential uptrend. Both the cup and handle and rounding bottom patterns can be powerful tools for technical analysis. By learning how to recognize and interpret these patterns, you can improve your trading strategy. At Traders Lessons, we provide step-by-step guidance on identifying and using these patterns effectively. Our courses are designed for both beginners and experienced traders looking to enhance their skills. Join Traders Lessons today and unlock the potential of these chart patterns. Visit our website now and sign up for our Trading Academy.